Hello my fashion lovers, welcome to today's tutorial. On today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to calculate an off shoulder, a perfect off shoulder sleeve and fix your off shoulder. I'll be teaching you how to calculate it to get a perfect off shoulder sleeve so that when your client wears it, it won't be falling off the shoulder. Let's get straight to the tutorial. I'll be making use of this off shoulder blouse and I have my marker, my tape, my ruler and my scissors. And now what you are going to do is to measure the neckline you have. What I have is 12 inches and I'm going to add 1 inch, making it 13 inches on the fabric because that 1 inch is for the both sides to join the sleeve. And now we are going to do the calculation. For the round sleeve, when you measure the person, the round sleeve I am working with is 45 inches. That is 44 inches. The round sleeve I am working with is 44 inches. And the neckline I measured for the front and back, because the front and back they are always the same, is 12 inches plus 1 inch that I added. That is for the both sides. I added half inch and that is 12.5 inch, and we are going to divide it, you're going to times it by 2 for the front and back. For the front and back, so the neckline for the front and back is 25 inches and the round shoulder I'm working with is 44 inches. Then to get the sleeve, what I'm going to cut out for the sleeve, I'm going to minus the neckline from the round shoulder sleeve. That is 44 minus 25. And what I have is 19. That is the sleeve is going to be 19. The both sleeves. Then I'm going to add 1 inch to join it to the neckline. That is 20. And this 20, you know, I'm working with two, I'm going to cut 2 sleeves, so I will divide it by 2. So one sleeve will, the length of one sleeve will be 10 and the length of the other sleeve will be 10, making it 20. That is 10 10. That is the length of the sleeve I'm working with. And now we are going to cut the sleeve. Then at the starting point, I'm going to mark this 10 inches. It's going to be on fold. So what I'll mark at the starting point is 5. That is the sleeve length. What I'll mark is 5 because it's on fold. Then the length of the sleeve, I'll go ahead and mark 4 inches for the cap height. 4 inches for the cap height. I'll go ahead and rule it out. And the length of the sleeve I am working with is 12 inches. 12 inches. I'll go ahead and rule it out again. And now on the cap height, to mark the armhole, you can go ahead and place your fabric like so and trace out your armhole. Trace out your armhole. Or you can go ahead and measure your round sleeve divided by 2. You place it and add your sewing allowance. Round sleeve divided by 2, you add your sewing allowance. And this is what I have. And for the down parts, I'll measure the round sleeve plus 2 inches sewing allowance. I'll go ahead and connect. And this is how to make your sleeve, your off shoulder sleeve, perfect off shoulder sleeve. And I'll go ahead and cut. And with this, I'm going to use it to cut the main fabric. I've gone ahead to cut the main fabric. Is unfold. Is unfold. Now you're going to grab your dress and fix it. Fix the sleeve to the dress. Right side facing right side. Right side facing right side. That is for the armhole. You stitch it down, then take it to the back part and stitch it down to the back, the armhole of the back part. And after stitching, this is what you will have: a perfect off shoulder sleeve. At this point, if you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Like my video, subscribe, because we have a lot of tutorials we are going to make, and drop your comments. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.